Food check tayo, food check. Ay, hindi.
Ano raw? Patingin na ano?
Hindi. Iron. Let's go.
My god.
Ingat
Pero ba natin
kayo.
yan
Ano build
dito?
nila?
Dive. Ay,
Weekend.
medyo front to back din to.
Yes.
Meron silang ano.
Imp
Meron
sila,
silang,
imp.
ano yan ha? Dive to. Didiretso to sa likod.
Yeah.
Auto-kite kayo. Auto-kite yung mga ano ha?
Yeah.
Mga RD.
Maintain the distance.
Heavy
Maintain the
maze if you can, look ka lang doon sa, sa nagda-dive. Huwag ka mag-look sa likod.
Ano?
Oh, yung pinakamaaga lang. Yung pinaka-malapit. I-hold mo.
Ang dami, boy. Di ko naman sinahold ko dyan.
Dropping.
Sige, no, kaya mo lang.
Pai. Don't clump with us. Judy. Sesuj.
Nice.
Nice.
Sesuj. Okay. Kite.
Two deep Sesuj. Kite. Northwest.
Kaya ko na sa base.
West.
Go to base.
I'm peeling.
Damn.
I'm peeling. Go back. Pai. Don't clump.
Boom. Nanok.
Back naman na.
Nanok.
Use boots if possible.
Yeah.
It's okay.
If you're kiting, use boots if you get caught. Just if they're near, auto boots ano.
Try.
Go
It's fine
southwest.
if
Go
we
southwest. They're there already. If they're positioned already, go southwest. Then we fight from this angle. Go DPS. Go. Oh, they're
Gago.
coming in. Kite.
Kite. Ready. Dropping E. Right collar. Go back. Boots out. Pai your positioning fix your positioning. Get inside. Can you drop your E, Pai? You almost died there. Go back.
Bakit?
Sakit, gago. Ang nahihirapan ako ipul ah.
Papa Sesuj, as much as possible, yung pumapasok sa atin yung i-ano mo, ay pigilan mo yan. Search or something.
Sige.
Kahit. May nasa likod tayo Go southwest.
We need
Go
to kite,
northwest,
we need to
go
kite.
northwest, we're northwest. Go back to base. Base area.
We cannot.
Call targets if you can. Healer,
Wala.
sun.
Very not healthy. Tignan nyo. Pai, your positioning again. Fix your positioning.
Can you drop E, Pai?
Okay. One man, call who's your targeting.
Call my
then-
target?
Yeah,
Okay.
call targeting.
Kaso Kakatch
Then,
Hindi
shield-
sila, yung pwesto nila. We need to fix our
Yeah,
positioning.
their comp is like dive, so we need to hit who's the nearest. Nearest shit. The
Front
four
to back,
cameras
front
is
to back.
coming. Four
Dropping.
cameras is coming.
Baby bend. Drop E. Kite. Catch.
Sige, I'm
Kite.
Royal Armor. Hold your armor. Okay. I can
Nice.
can tank. I
Uh,
can do
Pai, nice.
Yeah, focus the one who's inside.
3, 2, 1. Drop E.
Nice.
Gago. Dahil.
Nice kill.
Nice.
Okay.
Target, nice
Pai, your
target.
positioning Stay away from
Ignore
us.
these four hammers.
I'm looking.
Backside. Imp.
Go here.
Kite,
Ready
kite,
ako for
kite,
kite. Ready for kite.
Kite. We
kite.
cannot. We are not ready. We need to kite. Dropping E.
Gago. Tulak ko sana pala.
3, 2, 1. Drop it.
Yung drop yung pierce mo din, Col. Pop yung pierce ng yung...
You ready?
Don't hold your E. Just spam E, guys.
Spam your E.
The DPS you don't need to hold your E's.
I'm looking
Second.
on the imp. 3, 2, 1. Drop your E. Drop your E.
Inflow. Nice.
Nice kill.
That's how you kill.
Then we kite.
Sige,
It's
I have
too
bolt,
deep,
I have
it's
bolt,
too
I have
deep.
bolt, I have bolt.
Sige, sige. Shield.
Kite. There's one
Keep
on dagger.
kiting, keep kiting, keep kiting. Just keep kiting.
Firewall,
It's
firewall.
fine, it's fine.
Nice.
It's fine, it's fine.
Let's go.
Good,
That's
good, good,
that's
good, good. Improving.
Mana. Don't clap.
Dikit ba?
Clap. You can look
I'm
for
looking
healer,
on
you
the
can-
hammer.
Yeah. Okay.
On
okay.
the
Look
hammer.
for the hammer.
We
look
go
for the
back, we
hammer.
go back, we go back.
Look for the hammer.
We go back. Make some wall first. Ready? 2, 1. Drop E.
Oh, no.
Nice defense.
I got chomp.
I can do the combo. I can do
Stay
the
away
combo.
from the cliff.
Yeah. They can. Force
Gago.
hammers
Kite,
again,
kite.
force
Back to
hammers.
kite. Back to kiting.
One hand
Back to
dagger.
kiting. Pai, drop your E. Nice.
Gagi, na-sniper.
5 seconds, Judy.
Too late.
Tuloy. It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay, guys. We're still practicing.
Yeah. But we
At least something's connecting.
Yeah. We connecting. It's good.
Southwest, guys.
We can
Southwest.
go southwest since they're already placed there.
May nagre-record? Both review
Yeah,
mamaya.
I'm recording.
Then we go back.
Yeah. We kite here. As much as possible.
I think
if
we're
the,
good. We're good.
If the front line can tank, can the front. Yeah, like that. We can focus that.
I'm looking. Ay, hindi na sta.
Dinastan.
Drop your E. Then we kite.
The force
Free
hammer
scale?
is bad.
Firewall? Do you have firewall?
Yeah, firewall.
Gusto nyo yung firewall? Shin.
Nastan ako.
Sige. Takas lang. I'm peeling.
Get away from that choke. Get away from the cliff. Oh, stand.
Go back up.
This.
Always firewall na lang ah. Wag kang papadikit sa...
What the fuck is that?
Pinupusan ako ng hammer eh.
Yeah, yung hammer. Huwag kayong
Medyo,
papalap-dive.
ano yun eh. Unti-unti lang yun naman yung hammer. Hindi naman biglaan lalapit yun.
But
So, may chance.
the hammer has airborne and stuff. You can interrupt. So, as much as possible, if you can
Let's try again.
full kite the hammer.
The pay scale. Can we try again?
Both review muna kayo bago kayo sumubok ulit
Okay, the hammer's on me.
Here. Look, I'm looking at the dagger. Ready.
Ready.
Drop your...
Malayo.
Ah, Shin. I'm looking at the dagger.
Hindi umabot ko yung
Ano,
malayo.
different
Oh,
guy.
shit, wala akong defense.
Different guy, guys. Pai, your positioning again.
Okay, one man try. Ay, wala na. First eh.
Wala na. Ay, gago, damn.
It's okay.
Nag-reset na pala yung rank. Kaya pala mababa nung nakasama natin. Ano mga kalaban
Yeah.
natin. Yeah. Nag-reset na pala.